Uncertainty is everywhere. From financial markets to engineering systems, from healthcare to artificial intelligence, how do we make smart decisions in a world full of unknowns? Monte Carlo simulations provide a powerful way to model uncertainty, predict outcomes, and optimize decision-making. In this course, you'll learn how Monte Carlo methods are applied across industries. We'll start with the fundamentals: probability theory, random sampling, and estimation techniques. Then we'll dive into hands-on coding, exploring how to implement Monte Carlo simulations using Python and R. You'll master advanced topics like Markov chain Monte Carlo, Bayesian inference, risk modeling, and high-performance simulations. With real-world case studies, you'll see how Monte Carlo methods power decision-making in finance, engineering, healthcare, and more. Whether you're a finance professional, data scientist, researcher, or just someone curious about probability-driven modeling, this course will equip you with the skills to analyze uncertainty with confidence. Master Monte Carlo simulations. Gain real-world insights. Enroll today.